What's going on, you guys? Today's a big day. We are going E85 with the BRZ. Got our flex fuel sensor here. We're gonna go ahead and install that. First step, undo these two bolts. That's where we're gonna put this mounting bracket for the sensor. We're gonna tighten that back up, put the fuel lines on, and then we're not gonna actually hook it up to the O2 sensor because this is still gonna have to get tuned and still have to get a license. So it'll be a minute before it's actually on E85, but for now, at least it'll be hooked up. To save yourself some time, go ahead and put the sensor on the bracket first. Set this on top. Put these back on. You can go ahead and tighten those down. Clean this because you're gonna stick the module with double-sided tape on the top of this. So you want this to be clean. And you wanna pull this 20 fuse right here. That is gonna help you get all of the fuel out of your lines before you pop that line off. This is for the fuel pump. So after you take that off, you wanna go ahead and try and start the car. One, it'll start, which is fine. That just is fuel that you would have lost when you took the line off, or it won't start. So you wanna run it until it dies, basically. So once all the fuel is out of this, it'll die, just like that. And now turn it off. Yeah, that was interesting. I hate when like the car dies. Just bad karma. Yeah. Okay, so next thing you're gonna wanna do is pop this fuel line off. It's the third one from the top. What do the instructions say? 5/16. There's no labels on these, but they're using the gray one. So inside the plastic fitting, press the fuel line towards the quick disconnect tool and release it from the line. A towel
or paper towel's enough.
Yeah, I mean it's not gonna pour, but there could be some pressure in it. So, oh, still warm. Okay. I mean, we definitely got the car up to temp, but the fuel there shouldn't be any fuel in it. You want to kind of wedge this gray piece in there. Instructions. Everyone pops it in. Now lightly press and pull away the line. And now that this is in there, there shouldn't be. Oh, okay, here we go. Ready? Fuel line. So you gotta wait. Oh. So there was pressure.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. We can't start this for a cool minute. Oh, that drenched.
My hearts are racing.
We just need more towels and stuff. Okay, don't do what I just did. Idiot. Right. Yeah, maybe don't do it after you drove it. Yeah, maybe let it sit a little. But next thing you want to do is go ahead and pop this line on until it clicks. And this is gonna go where you just disconnected the fuel line. So this will go here. Click. That side is done. Now what you want to do for that side is this is going to connect here to where this was. Connect to this side. Now you just have to clean this box off, stick it on, and route the wires through from the module on the box over. You're gonna run it down through this support beam and run it all the way to this connect. So next you want to go ahead and install the double-sided tape, which already stuck itself right there. Give it a press. Okay, so the camera died. We turned the car around and to help the gas dry and whatnot. I ran the longer line from the box all the way down through underneath the intake. And you're gonna want to zip tie this line up so it doesn't hit the fans. And yeah, I ran it up here. I'll probably end up putting this underneath the windshield washer fluid. And so now we really just need a tune. The BRZ will be vegan.